Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to see a detailed heart rate history across time on Apple Watch. Apple Watch is a great tool for health and fitness. To help you keep track of your progress, WatchOS lets you see your Apple Watch heart rate history for a variety of categories like resting, walking, workouts, and HRV across days, months, and years. Even when you are not tracking a workout with Apple Watch, it takes heart rate readings in the background to measure resting and walking heart rates. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, open the heart rate app on your Apple Watch. Now you should see your current heart rate. You can swipe or scroll down with the digital crown to view more information. You can also see your resting rate, walking average, workout heart rate, and the heart rate post-workout data if you have done a workout recently. Next up, it's time to learn how to see heart rate history on your paired iPhone. Checking your heart rate history captured by Apple Watch on iPhone gives you the most data. To do so, open the Health app on your paired iPhone. Then tap on the Browse tab in the bottom right corner of the user interface. Now choose Heart to proceed. On the main page, you will see various heart rate categories. Tap on one to see your history. At the top, you can change the data window between hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Next up, you have to scroll down a bit to see heart rate highlights and more information about each type of heart rate data. Further down in the main heart section, you will see more data like cardio fitness, ECG readings, blood pressure readings, and low, high, irregular heart rate notifications. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily see your detailed heart rate history across time on your Apple Watch and iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.